Well, while that's cooking, I just had to tell you, RX Catering has you covered for all your family events. From the baby shower, bridal shower, birthday, graduation, retirement, and the celebration of life. We help you from the beginning of your celebration to the end. So if you want more information, check us out at rxcatering-dc.com. Now let's get back to that recipe. I'm ready. Do you think I need more, or should I change the wording? While we're cooking, okay. RX Catering. Oh, well, while that's cooking, I have to ask, while that's cooking, I have to remind you that RX Catering has you covered for all your family events, whether it's a bridal shower, baby shower, birthday, graduation, retirement.
So we'll change that.
Okay. Yes, I know. I'm ready. Are you ready? Oh, okay. Oh. While that's cooking, I gotta tell you that RX Catering has you covered for all your family events. Bridal shower. Dang it. I do? Why? Okay. While that's cooking, I gotta tell y'all, RX Catering has you covered for all your family. What? Because of that slight pause? Give me a break. Well, while that's cooking, I gotta tell you all, RX Catering has you covered for all your family events. Bridal showers, birthdays, baby showers, graduations, retirement, did I say graduation? Oh, okay. I'm trying to put them in order of how they come. Like, in life, like, you have, yeah.
You didn't start with birthday.
No, I didn't start with birthday because I started with baby shower. They got to be birthed first. Hey, while that's cooking, I got to tell y'all, did you realize that? No, not realize. Okay. While that's cooking, I got to tell you all, did you know, wait, RX Catering. Oh, gosh. While that's cooking, I gotta tell you, RX Catering can provide all your family needs. That's not it.
While that's cooking, I just want to let you know.
RX Catering has you covered.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. While that's cooking, I gotta tell you that RX Catering has you covered for all your family needs. Bridal showers, birthdays, baby shower, graduation, retirement, and that end of life celebration. We got you covered from the start to the end.
Celebration of life, dumbass.
Oh, what did I say?
End of life celebration.
Same thing. Celebration of life. It's a repass. While that's cooking, I gotta tell you, RX Catering has you covered for all your family needs.
Yeah, you already knew.
Family what? Family events. While that's cooking, I gotta tell you, RX Catering has you covered for all your family events. From your birthday celebration, bridal shower, baby shower, graduation, retirement, And even that end of life celebration.
God damn it.
Oh, celebration of life. Sorry. Hey, they knew what I meant. While that's cooking, I gotta tell you, Arcs Catering has you covered for all your family events. Your birthdays, baby shower, bridal showers, graduation, retirements, and celebration of life. We got you covered from the beginning to the end. So if you want more information, check us out at arcscatering-dc.com. Now let's get back to that recipe. Life of celebrations.